ChatGPT is a really helpful AI, but not for the reasons you might think. Look, there are about 1.9 billion websites, 600 million blogs, and more than 23 lakh blogs posted on them daily. This entire industry changed one day. 30th November 2022. ChatGPT got released to the public and everyone jumped to see its capabilities. Wave of horror broke out that ChatGPT will cause massive unemployment due to its ability to do stuff. AI is a tool, just keeps getting better day by day, and as humans, we are surely never catching up with it. So we need to use it to ease our production speed and increase our quality. Before, we humans used to do everything from keywords research, content planning, content writing, and even up to content updating ourselves. But with AI, the entirety of the blogging part can be done with AI. Blogging has totally changed from keywords research and content planning to how fast one can put up and produce a piece of content on their blog post. But as you know, with every door closed opens a new one. ChatGPT also brought huge opportunities for one to make money in the blogging industry. As a blogger, you need to be fast paced with the amount of quantity and the content you are actually able to put out in the public. As generating more and more content means we can rank higher in more keywords, in return leading to earning more and more money. For this, you need to factor in a few points. Will this keyword make me money? Is this content going to pass the content detection AI? Is this ranking for the right keywords? If you end up mastering these three questions, you are unstoppable in the blogging niche. To start blogging in 2023, you need a few things. Firstly, you would need a WordPress website. This is the most widely used and honestly has the best CMS and ranks the content at the top to make you more and more money through affiliate marketing. Secondly, you require themes to make your blog look good. And I honestly recommend Astra as it has the best theme designs available, or you could also go with Candice too. Thirdly, you need some plugins. These plugins are going to be WP Rocket, Rank Math, Short Pixel, or different types of automatizations on your website. Nextly, we need our 4 core pages. These are the 4 pages any blog needs, including homepage, my story, blog template. This is where you show how your blogs actually look like, and then your blog archive, where you have your entirety of your blogs posted and stored. Lastly, we need content assembly line and link building machine, building which content comes first and which would come after that, while also building backlink machine to get more and more views on your blogs and pages. Blogging basically comes down to content and links. To create good content, you need to go to ChatGPT with your decided topic or keyword you want to make a blog post on. Then using that keyword, generate more keywords that you would rank high in. After getting that, all you need to do is enter this prompt. Hey ChatGPT, please write me a blog post on email marketing with good SEO to rank high on Google with these specific keywords. And then you are going to list all the keywords down below and then press enter. ChatGPT starts writing your entire blog post filled with the best keywords and leading you to have a great SEO ranking. When it has stopped writing, all you need to do is copy and paste this entirety of the blog on your website. You need to do this entire process again and again as fast as you can to publish the most amount of content and start earning by putting Google ads on your blog or even by doing affiliate marketing. And I'll meet you in the next video. See ya.